As a teacher and principal that was able to work with people to get 90% of kids reading on grade level to not have this, if I was the principal, executive director, superintendent of a school district like this, these are 3 things that I do. Just so we're on the same page, this is the beginning of the year data, middle of the year, and then end of the year. This bottom part is what our goals would have been. I pulled this data off the internet. It's not a district that I work with. First thing I do is give people an object lesson. I bring needles and thread, provide an example of a blanket, and then I'd ask everybody in PD to go ahead and knit this blanket. The point of the object lesson is that people quickly would realize that they would need to YouTube or have somebody explicitly teach them how to knit the blanket. Fake news has traveled around the United States regarding direct instruction, explicit instruction. People have given that a bad name. So the knitting object lesson would help people understand that our very teaching is going to help us get out of this. Next, I would make sure that every single teacher was using a text every single day, starting with ELA. And that means that for the older grades, we're not just giving people notes so that they can fill things in. We're also not just asking people to watch a video to be able to glean information. People have to read. We have to practice reading. We have to teach people how to closely read, which goes to number 3. If people can't decode, then the staff needs to know how to chunk big words. Starting with classroom teachers. There are 3 things that I would do to get a school district out of this mess. Notice that I did not say buy a new program or sign up for 2 years of professional learning with the science of reading. These kids are going to be graduated by then. And then if we take training, what do we do with it anyway? If you want to know how to reverse this, I'm at goodhumanseducate.com. I want your data to look like this. And it can happen. We just got to get a move on.